I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Android 8, 0 or later, and LDAC-compatible headphones. Once confirmed, make sure both devices are charged and paired via Bluetooth. Next, open Settings and tap About Phone, then tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Once done, return to Settings, open System or Additional Settings, and find Developer Options. You need this access to change the Bluetooth audio codec. It's the only persistent way on many. You're now in Developer Options. Scroll to the Bluetooth audio codec section. Tap the current codec and choose LDAC to force that transport. Once LDAC is selected, check for an LDAC bitrate or quality setting. Switch between quality, balanced, or connection depending on range and stability. Also enable the option to show Bluetooth audio codec in the quick settings if present, so you can confirm the active codec quickly. Remember, codec choice affects latency and battery, so pick what fits your use case. You finish by verifying LDAC is actually active. Play high-quality audio and look for codec indicator in Developer Options or the Bluetooth device details. If you hear dropouts, first lower LDAC bitrate or move closer to the phone. Make sure no heavy interference sources are near. If LDAC refuses to stick, toggle Bluetooth, unpair and repair the device, or restart both devices. As a last resort, clear the Bluetooth cache or reset network settings. This often resolves stubborn codec persistence issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.